The last video we had a small introduction on HTML and tags. Now in this video we will start with our first document in HTML using tags. How will we do this? I will take Notepad and save it as index.html. This is the Notepad. Why am I using Notepad for HTML? This is because this will help me in quick understanding of code as I will type the whole code myself. I am saving it as index.html as you can see, and don't forget to write .html as this will tell browser that this is HTML file. I have used the name as index because index file is the first file your browser will check when you are having bulk files in one folder. Again I'm saying don't forget to type .html as the extension of your notepad file. So here's the notepad document which is now turned into HTML file. Tags are the base of HTML file, so let's start with tags. The first is doctype HTML. As we had already discussed, the first tag is doctype HTML where doctype is in caps and HTML is in small. This tells that the file is HTML file. This tag is always at the top of your file. Then comes HTML tag, which is the root of HTML. This is HTML opening. This is opening tag, and this is HTML closing tag. When you are opening a tag, there is always a closing tag with a slash before an element. These opening and closing tags enclose content inside it, and whenever is typed inside these tags. Now this is very important that whatever you type or any tag you use now will be inside HTML tags. You cannot write anything before opening tag and anything after closing HTML tag. Now the second one is head tag. This is opening head tag and this is head closing tag. After head tag there will be body tag, opening, and the slash its closing tag. As told earlier, head tag will have meta information inside it and body will enclose content you want to show on your home page. Now I will save this document. Now when I open this page, I cannot see anything in browser, but I have written a bit of code there. And why still nothing? This is because HTML file does not show tags, it shows content inside it. Tags will help browser to understand where content inside a particular tag be placed and how will the web page be displayed. So now let's start entering content inside tags. Starting with head, let's input the first content inside another tag, that is title tag. Now let's get back to front end file without saving here. Now you can see the path of file. Now what if I want to change it? This part doesn't seem nice there. So whatever I want to display there, I will write inside title tags. Let's write my title which I want to display, that is my first HTML file. Let's save this document and reload the web page. And you can see my first web page written on the browser tab. So now we know whatever we type inside title tags of head tags will be shown by browser on its tab. So you can have different names for your different files. This is the title tag and specifies a title of your web page. So with this, we have entered our first content in HTML file and browser is successfully accepting your data by showing it here. Now let's start with another tag which is heading tags. Heading tags are symbolized as H element with number after it starting from 1 to 6. So I will write this is the first heading tag. So I'll write my okay, this is heading 1. Now let's save it and then reload this document. So content inside H1 heading tag is appearing here. Now as I said, there are from H1 to H6 heading tags. Let's check the difference between them. So this is H2 heading tag. I'll write again. This is heading 2. Okay, I'm copying this now. Now it's H3 heading tag, closing tag. Now H4 tag. Now likewise H5 tag. And the last one is heading 6 tag. So we type all the 6 tags. Now there is no heading H7. Always remember heading tags are only from H1 to H6. There is no H7, no H8. I'm saving this document now. Let's get back to browser and reload the page. So now you can see the difference between all the heading tags. H1 is having the largest font size and the H6 is having the smallest font size. Now let's get back to document. Now I'll start typing paragraph. This is paragraph. Again saving this document, going back to the browser, reloading the page, and then I can see this is paragraph. Okay, so now we know how to use your first document and how to create your first document in HTML. So in this video, we came to know about how to use, let's save it. Okay. In this video, we came to know how to use the title tags, how to use heading tags, and the last one, how to use paragraph tags, which are the most important thing to start with an HTML document. As this was our first video, there is a lot of things to learn yet. So now if you know you can do this much and you are ready to go to the next video and ready to use more tags, then let's start with next class with the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.